As usual, we have to take a picture, so I'll just take this picture here. And to add a GIF, we need to press this sticker icon here. And the same way you add location or temperature or hashtags or polls, there's a new option called GIF right here. If I press that, it's gonna give me an option to add a GIF to my Instagram story here. And you could also search. So for example, let me just search puppy, for example. And it's gonna pull a lot of dog photos. Let me just add this one here. And just like everything in Instagram stories, you could resize it. It works just like any other sticker. So I'm just using my 2 fingers here on my phone and I'm just resizing it. And you could type on it. You could write on it as usual. You could even change the type font here. I'll do that and I'll just move the dog up here. And you could even do multiple GIFs here. So if I wanted to add a different one, I could add this one on the bottom and then I could resize it just like this. And it looks like if you tap it, it changes direction. So I'm just tapping on it to change it from left to right. And that's it. So now if I press send and post it to my story, if I tap my story, you could see the GIFs animating. They're both moving here. The top one and the bottom one are moving. And you could also do this with Boomerang. You could do this with Super Zoom. So if I use Boomerang, for example, I could go ahead and add a GIF to this one just the same way I did to the other one. I could resize it. I could send it to my story again. It works the exact same way. If it's in normal mode, Boomerang mode, Super Zoom, any mode that you have on Instagram story, the GIF will work the same. So that's how you add GIFs to Instagram stories. And if you're looking to add GIFs to your post, check out the link in the description.